So if you look at the top issues here, yeah, that remote workers face, you can see that the boundaries issue is number one. So in this audience, we're connected coaches, so we love people. Loneliness for us is number one. Here it's number two. And any kind of collaboration, which can be Zoom fatigue, right? It can be actually misunderstanding. It's, you know, we're in the whatever it is that's awkward about digital communication. There was one study that was done in 2015 in China by one of their biggest tour operators in tourism before the COVID. And they experimented with putting a group of people to work remotely for a few weeks. And they found certainly there were advantages. So what were the advantages? People were more productive. People stopped quitting. Yeah, people could save time on commuting, and actually everyone was so happy that the whole company moved to work remotely. But however, there were also disadvantages. What do you think they were? Especially after a few months. What do you think were the disadvantages that they discovered? And they had like about 1,000 people who were okay, so some people say health, some people say social aspects, communication. Let's see, any other ideas? Disconnections, alienation, pain. Yeah, it's very interesting, Lisa, cross-fertilization of ideas. So what they found was that remote workers actually suffered in terms of their career, because we're still biased, right? We're still like, when we see people, we think that they're being productive very often. Long-term motivation fell down. Half of the employees actually decided to go back to the office. And they discovered that in-person meetings were absolutely essential for innovation and for creativity. And women actually were not having as many benefits from remote working as they thought they would. And this is also something that we saw in the current lockdown in many countries, that primary caregivers, who were normally women with children, were really not able to work properly.